Hello, in this demonstration I'm going to show you an effective method of folding a corner on a painting stretcher. I have here my painting stretcher and I've already pre-cut the canvas and fixed most of it to the frame, so all that remains to do is the corners. So I'm just going to pull side over the edge of the canvas so it's nice and flat as I can over the edge of the painting stretcher. So I'm just going to pull it round and I'm going to put my index finger there and pull the rest of it round the corner and then put my thumb on the corner. I'm going to make a nice neat fold here and then that goes towards the corner, keeping it as neat as possible. This then seems to form this shape like a pocket, and we're going to now manipulate the canvas left or right to get a nice seam up the edge of the canvas. You don't want it like that, it looks a mess. So you want a nice neat seam. So I'm just going to manipulate the canvas to get a nice seam up the edge. Doing my best not to get it into a mess or untidy. It's nice and neat now. So all I need to do now is just use the staple gun so you now have a nice neat seam. You can use a water spray just to tighten and shrink the canvas onto the stretcher, and this will then tighten up the whole frame. If you put your finger or thumb on this edge, you'll find that there's a kind of triangle or bump. This is the bottom or the top of the painting stretcher. So if we're exhibiting it without a frame round it, the viewer will see this side and then a nice neat seam. Well, this concludes this demonstration. I hope there's some takeaways for you, and thank you so much for watching.